Guys, this is the Titan tool. Titan Super Tools cable length is 50 meters. Okay, this is a wire cable reel. Okay, I bought it in Lazada for and it arrives today, like 2 weeks before it arrives. So this is the price, 3,299 all, including the delivery. But the original price of this 3,660. The original price is 299 something. And let's have a quick look about this cable reel. So nice, guys. At the back of this one we can see the right. So this is the switch on and off. Alright, there's a leakage protector, and the rated current is 20 amperes. Rated voltage is 220 60 hertz. Then this one here, there's a button like here, so you will press this one once a month. Look, it says press it once a month for testing button, if it works or not. Okay, so we will turn on. So there's no sounds, but if you turn off, there you can hear a sounds like this. Oh, see, do you hear that? Okay, and so we're gonna try this one. This is just, it arrives just this morning, so we're gonna try it. Still in the plastic. We're gonna plug it here. Alright, and my cell phone charger, and we're trying to turn it on now. Alright, there's the switch. This is the switch. Up, on. Okay, so it turns, the lights is on already. It turns red, or the, okay, so we're gonna try plug in this one if it works or not. It should be, there should be a light coming in here in my charger, in my cell phone charger. Okay, here it is, guys. As you can see, it lights. Next outlet. Oh, still on, because there's a, if we try to, alright, it works. Okay, and the wire is royal wire. They said it a royal wire. It's a royal cord, 2.2 and 1.5 millimeter 2. I don't I don't know what is that mean. Okay, so this is heavy duty, guys. Cable length is 50 meters. Okay, this model is from Titan Super Tools. Alright, this is it, guys. And I will not try to extend the cable length of this wire, because as you can see, this, you can already tell that the wire is 50 millimeters or 50 meters long. and this extension wire will be used during our gig, because sometimes we have a short wire we use during the gig, just like the one that we had here. This is very short, so we need to have very very long, especially if the outlet is very far. I'm going to try to plug in this, guys. Sorry. All right, it turns on, off, on. See? All right. So this is a big upgrade for our extension wire, because before we have this only extension wire we use for our mixers, our speakers, lights, and amplifiers. So I bought the new wire cable, extension wire, because this has also with thermal overload protection switch here. The one I showed you at the back, this one. So it's different from other extension cable. Then 50 meters. So we're going to try this one from here going to outside. So this is the plug. So I'm going to pull this wire going outside.
Wait, kani. The hive. Ang hive ni katong saan mo ni? Saan mo ni?